awesome. We had a wonderful time, a lot of amazing award recipients. It's inspiring to see what some of these people have done for chiropractic in Texas.
This has been an emotional whirlwind of a weekend. It recognizes all the hard work that I've been doing for the TCA, opening up TCA to make sure that everyone feels comfortable in the TCA, and that we can all do this together because we need each other.
Wasn't expecting that tonight. Very surprising, getting up there and then looking back out and seeing my family, my kids, and great TCA tradition, great organization to belong to and to be part of this family.
I'm absolutely stunned and so grateful to be recognized. I think there's so many deserving people, and I'm very grateful to have been chosen.
A great honor to be recognized for the contribution that I've made, but also this organization is top notch. The people that are involved, the experiences I've had being a part of it are amazing.